Sorry, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low.
Hello everyone and welcome to Recipe Lounge. Thank you so much for joining me today. And today we have come with another recipe which is called chicken and potato cutlets. So let's see what we need. We have taken 2 eggs which are medium size. We're going to whisk them. We've got some fresh coriander here. We got 1 pound of potatoes. We have boiled and peeled them, and now we're gonna mash them up. We've got red chili powder here, 1 tablespoon, and cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon, and turmeric teaspoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and coriander powder here, 1 tablespoon, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, 3 green chilies. I've cut them in small pieces or slices, and we will also be using green spring onions. I've taken a full bunch, which is roughly a 1 cup. I've gone ahead and started boiling the chicken, which later I'm gonna shred. This is 1 pound of chicken, boneless chicken, and I'm just gonna add some salt to it so some of the flavor gets in there. So with the masher, I'm gonna mash these potatoes like so. We want them very smooth. Potatoes, I've mashed them up, and we're gonna let them cool down a bit before we add the spices. Now this dish is really good for breakfast, as a part of your breakfast, or a party, or as a starter at a dinner event, or even as a snack. So do try this. It's really tasty, and I find the whole family really enjoys this. So the chicken will take a good 20-30 minutes, depending on how thick the chicken pieces are. Or you can do them in a pressure, which only would take a few minutes. So the potatoes are nice and cold, so I'm going to just add some onions first, and then the green chilies, fresh coriander. So I'm going to add the cumin seeds, chili powder, crushed chilies, chili flakes, salt, coriander powder. All these spices make the flavour, and turmeric. So now I've got everything in there. I'm going to mix, and then when the chicken is ready, we'll add the chicken. But we need to let the chicken cool down first. So really mix really well. So this is all nicely mixed. So the chicken is ready. I'm just going to strain this and let it cool down for a little while, and then we will shred the chicken. So at this stage, chicken is really hot to touch. As soon as I can, I will shred the chicken. So it's slightly cooled now, so as you can see, you can do it with one hand. Still very hot. So the chicken I just shredded with my hands, and it's all done. So now I'm going to mix the potato mixture in this. So I'm just going to transfer the mixture in here. So I've just transferred it to a bigger bowl, and I'm going to add the chicken. You can add more or less. And now I'm going to mix. If you like more chicken, add more chicken, but I've just done half. 50% chicken and 50% potatoes. Mix really well. So do put your gloves on because it's really spicy. And this is how the mixture is looking. So we're going to make small patties out of them. We're going to do the eggs now. We need the eggs to dip the patties in, or the cutlets. So from that chicken I've still got some left, which I can use for other things, because I thought this was more than enough chicken in there. So I've just put some oil in the pan, about 4 tablespoons, 4 to 5. Put the heat on, and on very low heat we're going to fry these. So take some of the mixture in your hands, like so, and make a round ball, and then just press it, like so. And then dip it in the egg. And then fry. Show you another one. So I've just taken about 3 tablespoons of the mixture. Make a round ball. Press it. Make sure it's nice and round. Dip it in the egg. And fry at a very low heat. You can make the patties beforehand, and you can also freeze them if you wish, and take out whenever you need them. You should be able to make good 20 to 25 depending on the size. And then you still have some mixture left over, but you can add all the mixture if you wish. Fry one side and then turn over and fry the other side. So fry them on a low heat because we don't want them to cook too quick, but they need to be nice and crispy. So roughly about 1.5 minutes on each side if your temperature is low. You can check by just picking them up with a fork. Just pick up and just have a look how they're doing. Like so. So this is almost done. So just flip them over. See, nice and golden brown. Do the same with all of them. So yes, you only need to turn them once and that should be fine. Some people, when they're standing there, they just keep turning and having a look. That's when patties or anything that you're frying will take more oil in. So try not to do that. Only once should be fine. So the first lot is ready, so I'm just going to take them out on a kitchen towel, paper towel, like so. I'm just taking them out with a fork. Put the next lot in. But these are also very good for children's lunchbox. Children love these. So these are some of the ones that I fried. I've still got some mixture left over that I need to do. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you will try this recipe. I'm going to be serving these with hot chili sauce, sweet one, and coriander and mint chutney. Yeah, so thank you everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.